In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes in HubSpot. First, sign in to HubSpot. As you navigate to the login screen, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter your credentials carefully. This step is crucial because it ensures that only you have access to your HubSpot account. Once you have input your information, click the Login button. If everything is correct, you will be directed to your HubSpot dashboard. This dashboard is where all your CRM activities take place, making it a central hub for managing your contacts and deals. Next, go to CRM. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the CRM option. This section houses all your customer relationship management tools. Clicking on it will display various record types available to you. This is important because it helps you choose the right category for the information you want to manage. You will notice icons representing different record types such as contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. Each of these categories serves a unique purpose in managing your business relationships. After you have accessed the CRM section, select the record type that you need. You can choose from contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. Each of these options is tailored to specific needs within your organization. For example, if you want to add a note about a client interaction, you would select contacts. If it's related to a deal, you would choose deals. Making the right selection ensures that your notes are organized and easily accessible later on. Once you have made your selection, you will be taken to a list of records within that category. Now, open the record where you want to add the note. Scanning through the list of records, find the specific entry that you want to annotate. Clicking on it will open up a detailed view. This view provides you with a comprehensive overview of the selected record, including previous interactions and any existing notes. Opening the correct record is essential because it allows you to add context to your notes, ensuring that anyone reviewing them understands the relevance. In the activity timeline, click Note. You will find this option typically located near the bottom of the record view. By clicking on Note, you are initiating the process of adding your thoughts or updates to this specific record. This is important because notes can provide valuable context for future interactions, making them a key component of effective communication. Once you click, a new window will pop up, allowing you to enter your note details. Now enter your note details. In the text box that appears, type out your note clearly and concisely. You might want to include important information or reminders related to the record. This is your opportunity to capture essential insights or outcomes from meetings or calls. Ensuring clarity in your notes helps others who may read them later. Once you are satisfied with your entry, take a moment to review it for any errors or omissions. Next, add any attachments if needed. If you have relevant files or documents that support your note, this is the time to include them. Look for an option to attach files, which usually appears in the same window. Uploading attachments can provide additional context and make your notes more comprehensive. This step is particularly valuable for keeping all relevant information in one place, making it easier for anyone reviewing the record in the future. After completing all these steps, ensure you save your note. This action finalizes your entry and stores it in the record. You will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your note has been successfully added. This small step is vital because it guarantees that your contributions are preserved for future reference, enhancing collaboration within your team. Now that you have learned how to add notes in HubSpot, feel free to explore this feature further. It is a straightforward yet powerful tool for managing your customer interactions.